Hey everyone, welcome back to Minecraft Map Builder, Episode 2. We're going to continue working on Labrynthia, and I've done some work, to say the least. Now you're going to have to forgive me because I'm still sick, but I couldn't help but work on this, guys. This is an amazing project. We've got a few things done here. First of all, and most noticeably, we have all the rows, we have the mazes, got all the layers. So I'm just going to go through it bit by bit, explain to you what the heck is going on here. So first of all, we have, of course, the inside. Nothing's really changed except for this big towering thing, and what this is going to be a stand where the players can look over the map. At any time, what they can do is they can throw down a chorus fruit, which it's just an item they'll have that will allow them to visualize the map and see where they are and where they need to go. And then they'll be able to pop back down, and they can do that at any point. Then we have 3 layers. The first layer has got 2 blocks of space, and at the end it will have 8 blocks of space in between the walls. And then the second has 3, and then the third one has 4. And this fourth one was a pain to build. It was took quite a while. And I've just added a little bit of decoration here, these like spikes or whatever. And then I think that's about it. Oh yeah, we have the walls that kind of separate the maze. And we've also got, walls in between, which are kind of separate the maze into different parts. So this first section is all one big level. And you see the end is right here. I kind of marked it out. And they have to wander all the way across here to get to it. We kind of started building that in the last episode. And then the second section is made of 2 levels, I guess. Each one is like this. And then this third one is made of 4. So we got one here, one here, one here, and then one here. So it's got walls separating those. And the walls really don't do anything except kind of have the player visualize what exactly is going on. Now, we'll notice we've got this like mainstream hallway in between. And it goes in between all the different levels, and that's how they go through the different layers, I guess. And see, it starts off as 1, and it gets wider, and then it breaks off into 2. But the exit is not going to be here, right? Now, the way the levels are unlocked is there will be walls here. And then once the first layer is complete, the wall will disappear. There will be another wall here, of course, here and here. And they'll be able to go through here. Once they complete both levels, then this wall will unlock. Once they complete these 2 levels, this wall will unlock, and so on. Until finally everything is unlocked. They enter the code. This is for section 1, 2, and 3. They enter the code in all 3 panels, and the exit will open up. And that's kind of how the puzzle works. But we haven't actually built the puzzles yet, which I'll get into detail. This might seem super vague. But what we got to do now is we got to do the actual bigification. So, and that's a technical term. So let's pop into MCEdit, and we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, here we are. Let's, this is MCEdit, I'm sure you've guessed by now. What we gotta do is I'm afraid it's going to be too big. I really hope it's not. Just going to select the entire thing, like so. Make sure we get everything. There. Okay. So, alright. I'm just double checking, make sure we got everything selected. And, ooh, we might want to, do we want to get this stone? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So we've got everything selected. We're going to run it through a filter. And this is the enlarge filter. This is written by SethBling, the redstone genius himself. The scale factor of 4, so again, like we talked about, each block is going to be scaled up by 4 times. We're going to scale it on the bottom center. So if we did it on the exact center, it would grow the bottom and top exactly the same, if you know what I mean. And since we're kind of low to the actual world limit, that may not be the best idea. So we're just going to do it from the bottom center. And filter. And I'm afraid this could take a while. So I'm going to pause it and see how it goes. Okay guys, so that took way too long. I think it stopped responding, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it one layer at a time. Okay. So what we're gonna do, try this, and then filter, enlarge, bottom center, filter. There we go. And I'm gonna do that for all 15 layers. So, yeah, that's gonna take me a while. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I've spent some time in MCEdit. I'm not quite done, but wanted to give you guys an update. So, it is taking way longer than I thought. This here has taken me probably about 15 minutes-ish. But it's absolutely huge, so I'm going to pop into Minecraft, and we can see what it really looks like. My gosh, it's gigantic. Alright, and I gotta close this thing out here, because Minecraft and MCEdit don't run, they don't like to run at the same time, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, here we are. Whoa. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Dude. This is incredible. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. I'm actually, what am I getting? I'm getting 43 or 40 frames per second, about. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Guys, look at that. That's incredible. Golly, that's amazing. If this isn't awe-inspiring to you, I don't know what is. But this is freaking unbelievable. We're beginning to see the maze layout. You can begin to get an idea of just how grand a scale this thing really is. And we're gonna tidy it up. Like, this isn't gonna look quite like this. Like, we'll smooth it out. We'll go like, let's see, how can we do this? Yeah, but no, oh, that's backwards actually. Yeah, but no. Like, wait a minute. What the heck? The heck? I don't know. But we'll smooth it out. We'll tidy things up, and yeah. I don't know what else to say. I'm speechless, guys. Like, look, you can see the shadow. That's this part, right? Look at that. All across there. Alright. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you a little bit of what I've been doing. We're almost done. We got one more section to do. Now, I just go ahead and select it. I'm going to do this last little bit here. Actually, there's a little bit of stone underneath I want to get to, so just drag the selection up, and I kind of messed it up. Okay, once I can get the selection right, just go ahead and hit filter, make sure it's on bottom center, and hit filter. Okay, and then once that's done, what I do is I head all the way over here, make the great journey to, here it is, to here. I'm going to select this and then all the way over here. Even as fast as you move in MCEdit, it's still quite a distance. Okay, I think it's about here. There it is. Okay. And it doesn't always fully load all the way. Okay, now I gotta clone it, and this takes a second to load. Do. There we go. Now we just move it up all the way up here. There. Got him. Okay. Just hit clone. And see, but that doesn't move it all the way. That just clones it. So now we got two of the same thing. So we want to delete the one down here. For some reason, MCEdit seems really slow for the simple computations it does. Like, it's just voxel data. That shouldn't be that hard. Whoa. What's going on? Okay. So I gotta select the whole thing again. There we go. Oh, did I not select it? I thought I selected the stone down here. I did. I knew it. But it's not down here. I don't know. Okay, and then delete blocks. And this takes some time too. Okay. There we go. And then, and these are deleted. Just takes a second to, okay. Then, we gotta save it. Come on, there we go. Okay, just go ahead and save it. And this takes a little bit of time. So, I'll just skip ahead. Okay, here we are, guys, back in Minecraft. This thing is all finished, and it is massive. I'm telling you, like, good grief. Oh, look, here's the, that selector icon we had before. We'll keep that just for now, because there's no reason to get rid of it for right now. Okay. let's trim this up a little bit. Let's give it a little bit of shape and contour. You'll notice I changed the pillars up to this thing. So we got that finished. And it's just going to take a little bit of unroughing the edges, if you know what I mean. Which, I know that didn't make a whole lot of sense, but... Okay, so... then we might want to just go for this a little bit. Like that. And this is what I was going for, guys. This is awesome looking. Now, what I don't quite like is the prismarine on top. It looks too thick. So what I'm thinking is that we do /fill from there to there, stone brick. Okay, and then maybe add a little bit on top, like this. And what that does, that kind of gives it not only depth, but also kind of shades this a little bit. Yeah, that's way better than this. It's got depth, it's got everything you could really want. Well, I mean, for how long it would take us to do that to the rest of everything. Yeah. So, tell you what, guys, I'm gonna keep working on this, and I'm gonna get right back with you. Ah, man, look at that though. That's incredible. Guys, we did this in 2 episodes. Can you believe it? We should be proud of ourselves. This is really cool. I mean, this is really, really cool. And the players are going to have to, like, run down this. See, that's why I didn't want to make another layer. Because not only would it have taken too long to build, but it would have taken too long for the player just to walk around. Because, yeah, but look at that. That's amazing. Alright, I'm going to keep working. I'm going to make things look a little bit better. Hopefully I improve it. And I don't just completely destroy what we've got, you know. And, alright. See you guys in a little bit. So that's a pretty neat trick, and I've just been going around and placing the extra layer on top of these. I don't think there's a fast way of doing that. I think you just got to do it by hand. But if we're gonna do it by hand, we got a lot to do. So we've made some really good progress, though. Let's think about what else we can do. This platform. I'm not sure if I want to add a guardrail at all, because if we add a guardrail, if we don't add a guardrail, they'll know not to fall off, or else they die. This thing's looking all right. I feel like a border would give it a little bit more. Ooh, no, we need to make it come out. That's what we need. Okay. There. And I'm sorry, I'm sniffling, guys. That's probably super annoying. Okay. Nice. It needs a little bit more than that. So, what do you guys think so far? Let me know, definitely, because this series is all about... Crap. What's going on? Okay, yeah. This series is all about what you guys want and what we can do together. So, let me know, like, what you're thinking, what you want, what you like, what you don't like, and, hopefully we can change it. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Look at that. Except that looks thicker than like down here. That's the problem with the squares. So I think I'm just going to add a little bit of thickness here. That should take care of that. Okay. Maybe a little bit of top here. There. And this really does have the feel I was going for, like big and bulky and huge, almost indestructible in a way. Now what it needs is, I think we might need to put like a board in between like this. That way you just know that's the line that you cross. You know what I mean? In fact, would it look better going all the way around? Like, wouldn't hurt, I don't think. Anyway, I want to hear what you guys have to say about this stuff. And that might be time to end it. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I feel like this episode has been kind of short. I don't know, though, because I'm not keeping track of my recording time. So, definitely, tell me what you think in the comments, and I think that's gonna have to. Oh, dang it! That's not the right button. Okay, I think that's gonna have to be it. Catch you guys next time.